Okay, so welcome to another lesson brought to you by Forex Signals. My name's Mark Bonnell. I'm one of the mentors here. So let's have a look at what I call the stream analogy in terms of trend. So let's bring up the screen. So we have a creek. So this is the creek bed along here to the edge. And this is all the rocky outcrops from the creek. So imagine all the water coming through the center, the main flow of the water. That's our weekly. Let's consider that our weekly chart. Okay? So you can see we've got the main amount of water rushing through the center. Then on the sides, we've got the daily. We've got water still flowing through, not as strong as the middle, but we've still got water flowing through in one direction. So let's call that the daily. And let's consider all of this as price is above the 20 period for a long. Okay? So then on the side, as we know, water comes along and it moves through these rocks on the side, doesn't it? Causes these little eddies. So let's have a look at the direction of water. So it comes along, works its way around, then rejoins with the main current. So what I want you to consider is that this green part is our 4 hour. So the water comes along the side. It's not as strong. It's the weekly. It's not as strong as the daily. Water comes along, moves around, then it rejoins. So when is it going to be the strongest? It's going to be the strongest when it rejoins the main trend, isn't it? So I want you to think of exactly the same with our 4 hour chart. So when we've got a pullback, the time when it's going to be strongest is when this rejoins the main trend. So that will be when your best opportunity to get on board is. Okay? So that's the creek or the stream analogy that I use. All right? So we're looking for all of the time frames to align. And one of those is when the 4 hour gets above the 20 and starts to trend. We want to get in just as it's beginning. In other words, we want to get in this area here and go along with the main trend. This is what's called trading with the trend. This is what's called having that multi-time frame alignment, which is so important. All right, so I hope you've enjoyed that lesson, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye for now.